Hello everyone. I'm showing you how to use Gmetrix Online. The easiest thing to do is type in gmetrix.net and you'll see login comes up in Gmetrix. I'm going to go this way and I'm going to hit gmetrix.net. Here's the sign in. My username is already there because I've used it a few times. I'm going to sign in with my password, hit sign in, and voila, it opens. Now, the only reason you are going to have an issue is if you have an older version of Microsoft Office or you do not have Microsoft Office. Now, if you have an older version, I would go to Programs and delete it. Then I would go to your Launchpad on your 365 and download the new Office suite. Once you've done that, you should have no problem using Gmetrix in training. I've got kids using it on their iPads, on their iPhones, and they don't seem to have any issues. Let me know if you are having problems, and I can fix you up with a tech, or I can try to walk you through what issues you're having. I know a lot of you have already been training. I just did this so that they could see what the online looked like. Have a great afternoon.